graduation ko ng college. At syempre, cum laude ako. Kasi kailangan ko pong mag-speech. Well, 25 years. I can't imagine how time flies so fast. 25 years, almost 2.5 decades in this company. Well, huwag niyo na po i-complete yung age ko. Bawal po yun. This is my story. Mahaba-haba. I started my career here, year 1995, as sales accounting assistant. Many pa po ako noon. Nagsimula po ako sa Extraordinary Development Corporation under Marketing Arm of New Inter-Pacific Development Corporation. Imagine during that time, 10 empleyado lang po kami. As in, zero knowledge po ako sa computer ng time na yun. High-tech ka na po kapag marunong ka ng Lotus 1, 2, 3. Ang trabaho ko po nun is mag-process ng mga commissions due para sa mga brokers at sellers. Imagine ang time na yon, halos lahat manual kong ginagawa, as in handwritten. Sinusulat ko po isa-isa doon yung mga pangalan ng buyers, yung mga black and last sa mga buyer na pwede nang makomisyonan. So during that time, ang mga projects po namin noon ay Mabuhay City Lasma, Mabuhay City Kabuyaw, na ang PCP ay 200,000. I'm so proud to tell everyone na ako lang naman ang naging model employee for 2 consecutive years. 1996 and 1997. First time ko muna naka-receive ng A+ rating under sa management ko ni Mr. Lin O.C. Nagbunga po yung kakasulat ko ng mga names ng buyer manually. But wait, there's more. Hindi lang award yun. May kasama kong bonus sa payslip. At kasi ko ba malaman kung ilang months? Minus 6 months po yun ng salary ko. Hi! Sana mo uwi-uwi. Yan po yung mga isa sa mga happy moments ko. Siyempre, ang makareceive ng bonus. Year 2000, nagkaroon po ng expansion yung company. At dito na po ipinanganak si Earth and Style Corporation. From Extraordinary Development Corporation, nalipat po ako sa Earth and Style. Noong time na po na yun, medyo nalungkot po ako kasi nahiwalay po ako sa mga friends ko sa expo. Like sila Rona Reyes, na alam po andi dito. Yun po kasi yung aking naging comfort zone kasi doon po ako nagsimula. Siyempre, from Extraordinary Development Corporation na 200 ang PCP, nag-level up din po ako sa Earth and Style. At ang kinukompute ko na po na commissions noon ay 1 million pataas. Kung dati manual lahat ng sinusulat ko, ngayon po I'm proud to say, excel na ang computation ko. Mas madali na, mas pinabilis. At dahil ang mundo ko po ay office-bahay, dito ko po nag-meet ang love of my life. Isa po siya sales team head ng Extraordinary Development Corporation. Pero, hindi kami nagtagal. Hanggang dyan na nalaman ko ang masishare ko. Kala nyo, no? End of my love story. At dahil dito, naisipan ko kung magpahinga muna. I decided na mag-resign year 2003. From my journey year 1995, 2003, ang mga naging boss ko po dyan ay Sis Emma Del Rosario, Linda San Pedro, at si Amor Calcapin. Na hanggang ngayon ay nandito pa din po sila sa Ringulan. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all, Miss Emma, Mami Linda, and Amor Calcapin, for all the learnings, the trust you have given me, and thank you for being part of your team. Maraming salamat po. Year after 2003, and that was 2004, nagbalik po ulit ako sa Epic Style. Siguro talagang true blood joy nostalgia ako. Nagkaroon kasi ng hiring si Sir WJC na noon ay General Manager ng Earth Transfer Corporation, looking for Executive Assistant of the General Manager. Kumbaga sa beauty contest, 5 kaming candidates at syempre, ako yung winner. I am now the Executive Assistant of the General Manager ng Earth Transfer. I am directly reporting sa napakagwapo kong boss during that time. During this time, nahiyain po ako, but because of the nature of my work, I need to deal and talk with the executives. Na-develop ang aking confidence, at natuto ako on how to handle and dwell with it. After a year and a half, hindi ko po alam kung ayaw na sa akin ni Sir WJC o nakitaan niya lang ako ng potential. Alin kaya doon, sir? But anyway, I got transferred and promoted as collection unit head. Dito na po nag-start mag-evolve ang mundo ko sa Customer Advocacy Department. At first, nasanay na akong kumausap sa mga executives. Pero dito, may bago na naman akong haharapin na hamon. Takot po kasi ako makipag-usap sa mga buyers. At dahil napunta po ako sa collection, I have no other way but to face my fear. Alam niyo naman sa collection, we need to call the buyer to update their accounts for the payments. Iba't ibang kwento, dahil story ng mga buyers, may mga iba pang MMK pa. But my aim as collection unit head is to save the account and make possible solutions to solve their concerns. Maawain po kasi ko sa buyer. At may mga times na kapag iniiyakan ako ng buyer, naiiyak na din po ako. Parehas na po kami nag-iiyakan sa labas. So hindi niyo po alam kung sino may problema sa amin dalawa. But my learnings on this job is how to empathize with our clients and find solutions to their concerns. In the end, win-win situations for both parties, so happy pa din ang buyer. After 4 years, I was transferred as customer service unit head. Sad part, year 2016, I was part of the retrenchment. Kasalanan po ni Miss Annie. Nagpahinga ulit ako ng 1 taon, nag-isip-isip, nagmuni-muni. At muli, dahil true blood joy nostalgia nga po ako, nagbalik ulit ako ng year 2017. At ito na nga po yung inadmital entries. During that time, kasagsagan ko ng bentahan ng Jubilation Enclave, Nostalgia Enclave, at Producer Enclave projects. On a monthly average, 150 units po ang kailangan namin maitawid sa OS. Take note, 3 lang po kami sa CSU. Ako, si Juby, at si Maris. Kailangan po namin ma-pre-qualify ang mga accounts nito through CQR. Na-experience din namin na we need to check 300 to 400 dockets para sa sales rally for vision promos. Dito ko na po na-experience mag-work ng 24 hours straight. At dahil maganda po ang area namin sa customer service sa 41st floor, kitang-kita ko po kung paano nagbuhang liwayway ang kalangitan. Pagod, pero masaya because we were able to achieve our goal. Actually, every time na bumabalik sa aking alaala, may mga ngiti pa din sa aking mga mata. Kasi naramdaman ko po ang unity. Tulong-tulong po kami para sa iisang goal. Isa sa mga naging struggle ko po sa work is during pandemic. year 2020. Isa po ang RTG CAD na naging part ng Mission Critical Team. At dahil dito, kailangan po namin mag-stay in sa hotel, away from our families. Work must go on despite the pandemic. At dahil naka-stay in kami sa hotel, allowed lang po kami umuwi once a month. So may time na schedule na namin sa pag-uwi. A night before, I received a call from my mom. Sabi ng mama ko, "Anak, uuwi ka ba bukas?" Siyempre, ang sagot ko, "Opo, ma." Excited kasi ko, no? Kasi 30 days na ang lumipas. Pero sabi ng mama ko, "Anak, wag ka munang umuwi." Kasi may mild symptoms kami ng COVID. Nalungkot at natakot ako noon. Kasi noong time na yon, wala pa pong vaccine. Inisip ko po na what if umuwi ako at pagbalik ko, ako naman ang carrier ng virus. Paano naman yung mga kasama ko sa hotel? Paano naman yung work ko? At yung mga deadlines namin? Iniisip ko din, what if di naman ako umuwi at may mangyari sa family ko na wala ako? Yung excitement mong umuwi, napalitan ng lungkot at takot. But I have no other way but to stay in the hotel. Buti na lang, meron ako mabait na kaibigan, sinamahan ako para hindi ako mag-iiyak. Doon ko po na-feel na para akong OFW sa sarili kong bansa. At nahila pa rin ang ganong feeling. Minsan wala nakikita yung family mo. Buti na lang may mga apps na ngayon. Why am I saying all of this? 25 years of my career at Nostalg is a no joke. Do you wanna know my secret why I stay here for 25 years?
Yes.
The secret is love.
Yes.
The only way to do great work is to simply love the things that you are doing. Kasi kapag mahal mo, hindi mo yan basta-basta iiwan. Aalagaan mo at ipaglalaban mo. I am here not just to work, but I am here because I love my job and the people I work with. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the people who simply touched my life and being part of my success. Siyempre, to RDG sales team, Team Abby, Team Bell, Team Eda, and Team Aldrich. I just simply say thank you for all your support. Every time you share ideas, it added knowledge to all of us. To my customer sales admin team, Leia, Apple, Claren, and Julie. To Leia, thank you. Since birth and style, magkasama na tayo. You never say you care verbally, but I feel your care and love to me as your boss. You are a silent worker. To Miraflor, since birth and style, magkasama na rin tayo. Thank you for being dedicated to your work. To Claren, I appreciate your guidance to Leia and Miraflor during the time na na-assign ako sa Cavite at kayo naman ay nasa Bendel. You are my happy pill. You always make us laugh and making the worst situation cool. Thank you. Uy, siya umiiyak. To Juby. 6 years of working together through ups and downs. Magkasama tayo. You are a great listener. Lagi kang andyan pag kailangan ko ng kausap. And I'm grateful to have you. Juby, wag kang umiyak. To my team, thank you for being my support system. Always and forever, the best team I've ever had. To my CAD family, Miss Dan, Norland, Densil, Hillary, Kat, Melo, JC, staffs and contractors of our digital. Thank you for everything. No words can express how thankful I am, knowing all of you and dealing with all of you. To Sir William, thank you so much for being my mentor. Thank you for all the learnings. To Miss Celia, our cat head, thank you for leading us. Thank you for being there always to achieve our goals. Thank you for your generosity. To Miss Apple, our beautiful and sexy COO, thank you so much for your kindness, guidance, and continuous support. To Miss Eileen, thank you for the never-ending support, for the opportunity you have given to me to work in RLI. Truly, I am so grateful. To Sir JCN and family, thank you for being an inspiration to all of us, for providing jobs to many. For my 25 years in this company, you made a great impact in my life, not just financially, but spiritually. To my family, thank you for the love. You are my everything. You are the reason why I am here. And to God, I bring all the glory and thanks to you. Let me leave you with this hope. Love your work, and our Christian values will follow. I am Nancy Geronimo, Customer Service Unit Head, 25 years in the service of RLI. Thank you for listening to my story. Good night and enjoy the rest of the night. See you all again on my 30th year. God bless everyone.
Alright, with that, thank you very much once again, Miss